Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare spicy peppered cowfoot. This recipe is so delicious and easy to make. It's spicy, succulent and tasty. Let's get started. In a pot I have my cowfoot all thoroughly cleaned. Add chopped onions. I have a mixture of red and white onions. Add all-purpose seasoning. Add salt. Then I'm going to add my spicy mixed paste, which is a mixture of pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, cloves, rosemary and aniseed. Add bay leaf and some water. I will leave a link of the spicy mixed paste in the description box. Pour enough water to cover the cowfoot and bring it to a boil, as cowfoot is very hard and it takes longer to cook. Cook until it's tender. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, oxygen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle ladies, welcome to Zach's Kitchen. When you notice the meat falling off the bones, that is an indication that the cowfoot is almost ready. I don't want it too soft, but soft enough to make each bite juicy. You know what I'm talking about. So at this point, I'll let it cook for another 15 minutes. Yes, this is how I want it. Nice and tender. Now the cowfoot is ready, we're going to prepare the sauce. I have here red and white onions, 1 fresh tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic and bell pepper. I have sliced them all up to make it easy to blend. This recipe depends on the amount of spicy heat you like, which is going to make the sauce very spicy. The amount of chili pepper used will depend on your preference. I am using 3 scotch bonnet pepper, which is very spicy enough for me. But if you do not want too much pepper, please reduce the amount of chili pepper. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. I'm not going to use water to blend, but if you must add water, just add a little bit. You can also blend with vegetable oil. Make sure the fresh tomato goes into the blender first to make it easy to blend. Now let's prepare the sauce. In my wok, I have vegetable oil. Add some chopped onions. I have a mixture of red and white onions. Give it a stir. I'm going to add my spicy mixed paste. Like I said, I'll leave the link to the spicy mixed paste in the description box. It is a mixture of ginger, onion, garlic, pepper, aniseed, cloves and rosemary. Give it a stir and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Add in the blended mix. Give it a stir. Add all-purpose seasoning, add curry powder, stir, cover it and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure you stir in between to avoid burning. Let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Add salt and stir. At this point, the sauce is ready, so I'm going to add the cooked cow foot. Give it a stir. And make sure it's well mixed. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Beautiful. The flavors in the kitchen. My spicy peppered cow foot is ready, and it can be served with rice, fried yam, plantain. You can just eat it like that as well. It tastes so good. I garnished my spicy peppered cow foot with spring onions. This spicy cow foot is so delicious and tasty. So this is how I prepare my spicy peppered cow foot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Until the next video, bye for now. Welcome. If you feeling fabulous, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Zach's Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back.
Gentle ladies, welcome to Zach's Kitchen.